Wait, okay. You're too close. Not that far. Go ahead, go like a little bit in front. That was a little scary.
Still going?
I got that. Angry birds. Oh,
Weird how it goes out my nose too. You chug it and burp, it goes out your nose.
I'm telling you, they're like freaking monstrous. That's why they're called monsters. I got that. I got that up there.
I'm gonna do it in front of her.
Do it in front of the girl, yes.
Just stay there.
Holy Christmas lights.
I'm not much out, so let's do it in front of someone good.
I can't change the back part.
Let's go. What? Seriously. No, like.
Oh my god, you are. Now you're out. Tilt it backwards more. Turn it the other way. Let's go.
You've been moving in our spot.
Watch us. Who lives in the pineapple sea? Dude, are you done? Are you done?
Just stop talking because I burped. You started doing that?
Yeah.
How long is it?
2 minutes. Santa Claus on.
Yum, 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 yum.
Where's Santa?
I'm gonna be
I'm so lost. Oh, he's on the other side. Oh, that sucks. We'll go upstairs and then we'll go in there. This is so noticeable. Everybody's like staring. Everybody's like staring at us.
I'm just a burping. Burping.
Build a bear workshop.
I'm just a girl burping in a mall, you know.
I know. You're just walking with it.
Walking back.
Hey, look, it's your favorite store. Somewhere.
I want to go in there.
No.
What?
Those are a little inappropriate.
What?
Double check. His light is up. Nice going, Benita. No, I'm good. I dropped my. You're too fast for me in the camera. Macy's. It's the star. I think I lost my pop.
You could stop it whenever we get to the food court.
Okay. Now you're dying. Now your throat's burning from burping.
Yeah, don't be surprised if they're all gonna eat from all that burping.
I knew it. Oh my god, look at that Christmas tree hat. Check that out. That is awesome. Where is it? Is it in the store? I hope the camera can hear you.
I know.
I dropped it.
You dropped it in the air?
Yep.
They're all black.
Oh, my mom texted me. Oh, my mom called me and it hung up. Hello? 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 I'm so confused. Oh, there it goes.
What? Huh?
Oh, I got a text message. I think it's from her. Oh, Josh.
Nice. You're like, hello?
Hello?
calling someone?
Call my mom. Is she calling me?
Oh.
We're on our
We have to be
way.
there in 5 minutes.
We're there. We're on our way. Are you done?
No. No, just record. I'm done. That's like swallow air.
I know. Shoes. Come on, Mom, pick up. My favorite store. Come on. Let's search for
Tried
it.
to burp, say it.
Zoom in, guys. Oh, you can't see it. My favorite store. Yeah. Santa Barbara's on. Are they dancing down there?
I can't look at that.
No.
It's
Should I stop it? No, we still got one.
How long?
About 6 to 8 minutes. 6 minutes.
Title of Benita burping. Benita
Walking
burping
in the mall. Walking in the mall, burping.
Burping in the mall.
Burping in the mall.
Benita burping in the mall.
Too bad I can go like this and I still got Santa Barbara.
Oh God!
You walked into the little kid. How could you walk in the little kid?
Okay, you know what? Dang it, I missed it. I went to burp in front of them boys. Fix this.
I should have worn my Santa Claus hat.
Dallas.
Dallas?
Oh, frick. Dallas subscribed to us. She's gonna watch that now. That would be fun.